Hello, welcome to another Super Sunday, and today we are making a bubble snake. For this you'll need an empty bottle, some dish soap, a pot with water in, some scissors to cut your bottle in half, and a sock. For our first step, I want you to get your bottle and cut it in half. I'm here with my scissors and my bottle, and I'm just going to cut this in half. Make sure that you're doing this with adult supervision, or if you do need help, get an adult to cut it for you. Now mine is cut in half. I'm just going to get rid of the labels on it so I can move on to the next step. So in my pot I've got some water, I'm adding some soap and just bubbling it up to make sure it's nice and frothy. Now I have got my sock and I'm getting ready to stretch it to put over the cut half of our bottle with the funnel so that we can blow into it once it is in the soapy water. As you can see, there's some bubbles coming out, and feel free to add in as much dish soap as you want, because the more soap, the more bubbles. I put a bit of dish soap on my actual sock to get the bubbles going, but as you can see, it's a big bubbly mess, so I hope you enjoy this craft and have fun.